Hey everybody, welcome back. So yesterday we made BLoves Smackalicious seafood sauce, and so today we're going to do a seafood boil. I went into town to the fishmonger and I got some lobster, some blue crabs, snow crab, a little bit of everything. So I'm going to show y'all how we do that. So while I get the water boiling, I'm going to get this camera set up and we will get started. Okay, so the water's boiling now. Really careful. And I'm going to go ahead and add in these veggies here. So there's just a half an onion, a little bit of garlic that I cut the top off of, and some corn. I'm also and that's my seasoning pack, which is Zatarain's Crawfish shrimp boil bag. And I'm going to add the juice of a lemon and the lemon. We'll be right back after we let this boil for about 8 minutes, and then we'll be ready to add in the seafood. So this is boiled for 8 minutes. And I'm actually going to move this stuff down here. Okay, that did not work. That other corn go. There it is. I'm just trying to make room in this little basket. This should be good. Yep, there we go. Okay. So the blue crabs, they need to cook the longest. So these are freshly cleaned. I just got them out of the freezer though, so they're sleepy. Actually, need to add some more water. My water boiled out. I'm going to go ahead and add my lobster in as well, which you can see he's still kicking. Look at that feisty little guy. great. Get them all nice and submerged. Alright, and we will cook this for about 12 minutes. Alright, so our timer just went off for 12 minutes, so last but not least, we're going to go ahead and add in some shrimp, some snow crab legs, and some Dungeness crab legs. So the crab legs, they're already cooked, so they don't need long. And then the shrimp, they don't need long either, so we're actually going to cut off the burner. And add these in. See, we can go ahead and get these nice and submerged here. Shrimp will definitely get down there. So I'm going to cover this up, and we're going to let this sit for a few minutes, and then we're going to move it into a cold water bath that I put over here, and that will help cool it down further so that everything can just really soak up the flavors that are in the water. Okay guys, our boil is done and we are ready to dig in. So remember, this is the original sauce. This one is the one with Coca-Cola, and this is the one with ginger beer, so my twist. And it looks amazing. Everything turned out perfectly. Look at the shrimp cooked perfectly. Well, I'm starving, and so me and my friends are gonna go ahead and dig in, and I will let you know what I thought of the sauces. Thanks guys, and y'all have a really wonderful and blessed night, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please comment below with anything. If you didn't, comment below and let me know why. And I'd really appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription, and maybe even a share for friends that you think may like this. If you have any suggestions for what I could cook, let me know. And maybe check out my Facebook group and my Instagram. They're linked below. Y'all have a good night. Bye.